Hello, fabulous second grade. Yay, it is Monet Day. Woo-hoo, look at that. We are going to look at Monet and how he likes to show, reflections in his artwork. Just like a reflection in the mirror, looking back at our beautiful faces, these trees show a reflection in the water, and Monet is known for that. We're going to do a piece of art today that kind of reminds me of Monet, where he has trees in the background, and then lo and behold, what happens? He creates a reflection. That's right. Our piece is going to look something like this. Woo, that is good looking. So let's talk about parts of this. The first part that we have to remember is that our artwork has a background and a foreground, and it has some beautiful things. If we look at the background we're going to use our background as yellow. It's going to be a beautiful yellow background. So the first thing you'll need to do is get that paper, fold it in half, and then paint the background yellow. Then each time we go, we're going to paint a tree. We're going to paint a tree like this. A red tree. You fold it up and rub it and unfold it. There's the tree. Then we go back and we paint the green tree. We fold it up and we rub it and we unfold it, and boom, there's the reflection until our final piece looks like this. All right. Get ready for a great day.